Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Jordan 1 by Jordan Brand in collaboration with American professional BMX athlete Nigel Sylvester in the Better With Time colorway. These were released on the 16th of August 2025 for the retail price of £145 here in the UK. I picked up my pair from size Carnaby Street, London, and it comes in a cream box with Nike bike branding on the side and its lid. The box features subtle distress stamp details. Open up the box comes the shoes wrapped in white paper with a black bike icon on the inside of its lid. They also included an extra set of red and black laces, which were a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Back in 2018, the Jordan 1 Retro High Nigel Sylvester turned those scuffs into a point of pride, to continue the theme of enjoying the process of things getting better with time. Now in 2025, we get the black and cell weathered leather upper with yellow stains on its midsoles and a clouded red outsole for that aged look. Red Bike Air branding can be seen on the tongue tab and on the right insole with Nigel Sylvester on the left. The muslin cream Nike swoosh on the lateral side features black dots and outline sketches for that prototype remove stitching aesthetic. This represents the evolution, repetition and precision it takes to get things right. These details speak to the hours invested to the things that matter. On feet I stay true to size on Jordan 1s. I understand why people go down half a size, but I'm happy staying to my regular sizing. I think they look great, especially in the cell laces, offering a nice contrast to the black tumbled leather upper. As usual, purchase links will be my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment timer to show me you enjoyed this video to the end. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? And if you're wondering, these are definitely a 2 pairs minimum. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.